Hey, look, I just crushed some cards I don't want. These are not actual Pokemon cards, they're just these cards you get in like the free card boost or blister packs from like Dollar Tree and all that at Dollar Tree. Damage on the floor, yay! My life sucks. Here we're going on for some promo codes. Here's one promo code. Whoever gets this code, read it. The camera just went blurry. Here you go. It's that code. You also get crumpled. I want that. There's another called Booster Blister. Guess it's another code. Just redeem this. Or here's the code. Just do this. Go. Code I want. I saved the special one for last. Again, I don't know how many years. It's for like a couple of years now. I took it, I don't want it. So here you go, unlock Booster Blister Pack. Here you go, whoever wins gets it. Here you go. Bye.